Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super handy for 2025 shoppers: how to add Klarna to Apple Pay. If you're not familiar, Klarna is that awesome buy now pay later service that makes online shopping a breeze, and Apple Pay is Apple's secure way to pay with your iPhone or Apple Watch. Combining the two means you can use Klarna for flexible payments right from your device. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll need an iPhone running iOS 18 or later, since we're in 2025, updates are key, and a verified Klarna account. If you don't have Klarna yet, download the app and sign up quickly. It's free and straightforward. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your payment methods live. If you don't see it, swipe right on your home screen or search for it. Once you're in, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Step 2. Select Add Card and choose Klarna from the list of options. Apple has made this easier in 2025, so you might see Klarna directly integrated. You'll be prompted to log in to your Klarna account, enter your credentials securely. Step 3. Verify your details. Apple Pay will ask you to confirm your Klarna information, like your linked bank account or payment preferences. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Once verified, tap Done, and Klarna should now appear in your wallet. Now, for a quick test. Open an app or website that supports Apple Pay, like a shopping site, and select Apple Pay as your payment method. Choose Klarna as the funding source, and you're good to go. If you run into issues, like an error message, make sure your iOS is up to date or contact Klarna support. They're usually super responsive. Adding Klarna to Apple Pay in 2025 is a total win for smarter spending. It saves time and keeps things secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.